Guys, I'm gonna do a quick update on this driveway thing. This is video number 2 for driveways. I think last time I ended off telling you it was 1,100 or 1,200. Well, that price is just about doubled now. We had really muddy times. As you can tell, truck just like keeps getting stuck, all sorts of junk. So this is what we brought in. Really big rocks. I mean, we're talking like my foot big plus, and they worked out really well to hold things together. But once I actually started talking to my cousin who used to do landscaping and all this hardscaping stuff, and he asked me why I'm not using road fabric, and I didn't know that there was such a thing. So lo and behold, there's road fabric. So now that that's been purchased, I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out. It's 300 feet, and it'll kind of prevent that kind of stuff right there from happening, and over there where the stone just gets crushed and out of the way, and it just goes right into the mud. So this will help separate the layer of dirt from the layer of rocks, and we should be good to go. In other news, I have prescription glasses, which was kind of a thing that happened. I guess I'm getting old, unfortunately, and so I'm gonna be wearing these from now on. Anyway, going forward, I'm gonna roll that out. It's 300 feet. It cost me $181 with his contractor discount, and I think that was about half price of the initial cost, and it should take me all the way down to the house and then some for the parking lot area, and that's doing only one layer of it, and hopefully one layer is enough. Again, I'm kind of learning as I'm doing this. I mean, these are not really expensive mistakes or anything, so it's not too bad. I had to build up the roadway. There's some aggregate material that was necessary to purchase, but you know, if we had done it right the first time, we wouldn't have that kind of stuff, you know, going on, where the material is just kind of sliding off the road as heavy machinery is coming through. So anyway, that's a quick update, guys. I'll give a final price once I'm actually done with the driveway, and that way you guys will have a little bit more of something better to go off of. So guys, I did put that tarp down. It was a half fail because I had so much material on top. When he was going over with the skid, he basically tore a few holes in it and that kind of thing. So you see over there, right there, not a big deal, I guess, but I realized it's not the correct stuff that the sales guy told me it was for. Definitely basically had a different kind of material that it's supposed to be. It's more of like a cloth, and this stuff is more plasticky and polyestery or whatever you call that stuff. Now I'm not too peeved about it because it was only 180 bucks. So I lost $90 if I call it a 50-50, because the driveway does sit very nice on there, the way it goes on and everything, and it'll keep the material from spreading at least. And what I noticed was when he was going over with the truck, basically the edges kind of pull into each other rather than pushing the material away and off the road. So it is a win, but it's not going to last long. It's going to tear up, which is okay. I mean, it's underneath the rock. I don't really care. It was a disintegrate or whatever. So yeah, you live and you learn. So total with that 180, I think we're at $2,300, and we have one more load back there I'm gonna add on top, so we're looking at another 300, so we're gonna be at $2,600. It's fun to do the whole build and this entire process and learn stuff, but in general, I mean, losing money's not fun, but I don't know, I kind of like the learning process. As long as it's not a huge loss, it's good. I don't know, I'm kind of setting myself up for multiple issues down the road, so we'll see what happens. So in the middle of all that rambling, I hope what you heard was the process is fun. Sure, losing money is not fun sometimes, but I think throughout the building process, there's going to be plenty of times when there's going to be all sorts of issues happening all over this build project. Just like any other one, it is part of the process of building, I am sure. So I set myself up for that because I've heard a lot of people talking about the problems they experience during building and all that kind of stuff. I mean, I wouldn't even call them a problem. It's just something you got to work through, learn about, and just do it. So, all right, guys, peace.